My name's David Balfons. I work at Stimson's Priest River, Idaho sawmill. I'm the plant manager here. Stimson is a 7th generation family-owned company. We produce lumber and timber to help build buildings and homes here locally and across the country. Much of the timber supply that we have comes off of our own land here. No part of the tree is wasted. Conservation is a big part of our identity and what we do here, and we want to make sure that we are not wasting anything. And energy kind of parallels with that. We use a lot of electricity. We run 6 days a week. Conserving energy and using only what we need makes good economic sense. It makes good financial sense. Working with Avista has been great. It's been very smooth, it's been very simple. The Avista team comes out on site and they work with us. We partner with Avista in multiple different ways in our day-to-day operation in terms of using less electricity. They give us tips and tools on how we can do that. If we're looking for more high-efficient motors, they help us to know what options and sources are available for us. And it's clear that Avista cares. It's clear that we're in this together. It's been a great working relationship.